G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I'm here at Sonic Motor Racing. Now Dylan's here. Now Dylan, what is it you do here at Sonic Motor Racing? And also, I believe you've had fantastic success in the Formula Ford this year.
Yep, so here we prep and build and race a whole range of cars. We've got the Porsche Carrera Cup behind us, and we've got the Formula Ford, which we've had great success in this year, coming 1-2 in the championship, and also which backed up our championship from last year as well. Just another long list of success they've had in that category. Also a lot of success in the Porsches. Been a bit of a rough year this year, and we're just currently in the middle of prepping them for the last round after coming from the Gold Coast, so they're a little bit banged up, but yeah, we've got our Wurth tools here, so we'll be able to get stuck into it and fix them up.
Well, that's right. You guys are into quality and precision. So we've got here the new Wurth Tool Trolley, which has just been delivered to you guys. As you can see, it's made of robust steel, and it's a quality piece of kit. It's lockable, which is fantastic, so no one borrows your tools. But let's have a look inside. So we'll open this first drawer here. In here, we've got a full set of 3/8 sockets, all right? Ratchets, all that sort of stuff, and all your bits as well. The second drawer, we've got 1/2 inch and 1/4. Full set, all your bits you need, your Torx bits, the whole lot. Go down a drawer. In here, we've got ring spanners, combination spanners, and open-end spanners as well. Next drawer down, we've got a fantastic screwdriver set here. These screwdrivers, you've got your flat blades, you've got your Phillips heads, you've got all your Torx bits, and the fantastic Wurth Flexi drive. And what I do like about these is the 2-component handle. Because of the shape of the handle, you can get a really good grip on, so you can undo or do up things really tight.
We've also got the bits on it, so you can put a spanner on it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, the shaft as well, yep. And here to put a spanner on it if it's really tight. Next drawer down, we've got our pliers. So pliers, side cutters, circular pliers. Thank you, Dylan. I nearly forgot then. And we've got some Allen keys as well. And down here, we've got some hammers, some punches, some chisels, and files. The bottom drawer we leave empty so you can put your rattle guns and other things in there. So Dylan, one thing I want to show you with the kit is, and I'll grab this large socket out here, is the Wurth power drive. So what it does is it doesn't connect to the edges of the nut, as in the points of the nut or the bolt, all right? Because of the shape of the socket, it connects to the flanges on the heads, yeah? So when we want to undo or do up, all that torque and tension is on the flats, not on those little points. Yep. So there's a lot less danger of stripping your bolt, all right, rounding off the head of your bolt. Yep. So if you see here, the grooves that are cut out where the points are, yep, that's how it works. So Dylan, that's your new Wurth Tool Trolley. As you can see, it is a quality kit. Yep. Now, I'm sure it's going to help you with all the vehicles you've got to repair here. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and this Wurth Tool Trolley, it's ready for work.